To provide PLCs with some additional scaffolding and support, we've went back into Unit 3 and unwrapped the focus standards for ELA and for math. In order to access those unwrapped standards with coordinating scales, you're going to log into Canvas and access the grade level page that you're looking for. I'm going to go ahead and click on second grade. And on that page, you're going to find both ELA and mathematics. You'll just click on the link of the one that you want to look at. So let's say we're looking for a language arts standard. If I click on ELA, you're going to notice the Common Core Teacher Toolkit. And this is where we'll begin to post tools to support standards-based instruction. The first of those is really the unwrapped standard as well as a scale. So you'll notice some of the standards have highlighted blue links, and that means that there is a unwrapped standard and scale available for that standard. So if I were looking for the unwrapped standard of RL 2.2, I can click on that document and it will download to my computer. And I can open that document up and I'll find the unwrapped standard, the know, understand, and do. And if I scroll down, then I'll also see the unidimensional scale. Our purpose of providing these pieces is to give PLCs some guidance and some support in unwrapping standards. It's important to note that each of these KUDs and scales are marked with a watermark for sample. It's not the intention that these KUDs and scales are the way to unpack a standard. It's just one way. We recognize that there's multiple ways for teams to unwrap standards. And so our hope is that you would use these as an inspiration for your own unwrapping of standards or as a starting place for your team to have further conversation around the true meaning of the standard. I'm going to go ahead and X out of this for just a moment and go back to the screen because it's important here. If we look at this grade 2 English Language Arts page, we have these buttons along the top that you're able to click the other grade levels and go to that page of unwrapped standards. So you'll notice the layout of the page is exactly the same. It just has repopulated with the standards for the specific grade level that we clicked on. So that could be a resource for PLCs to use in order to look at vertical progression of standards. It's our goal over time to grow this resource. Obviously, you notice some of these standards are black and they're not active links right now. So our hope is as we move through the units that we'll continue unpacking focus standards and provide those KUDs and scales. And that we'll also be able to provide other evidence that could serve as assistance to helping teams better understand the standards, both for ELA and for mathematics. Of course, if you have any questions or feel like you need additional support, do not hesitate to contact the Office for Teaching and Learning or your regional teams.